A very good morning to everybody. I'm back with the second session on the special edition with Massimo. In this session, he's going to discuss all the sommelier equipments or tools that one needs to use to perform a sommelier's job. So please view it carefully, understand why an equipment is used, and I'm sure it is very knowledgeable when you will view his video. Let's go for it.
Hi, today I will talk about all the equipment that sommelier need to have for his job. First of all, of course, this is a tastevin, and this is the symbol of the sommelier, and you can taste the wine inside this. Is split in two half. One half is for the white wine, and the other half is for the red wine. In the center, you have small bowls for the sparkling wines, and the big one in the middle is the measurement. So you will not steal anything to your host. Of course, you have to know how to use it. For the red wines, you have to hold in your right hand, and for the white, you have to hold in the left hand. Second thing is the wine opener. There are many different kinds. This is another one. See, wine opener, and the knife to cut the foil around the neck of the bottle. Then we have a small plate where you can put the cork and the foil and all the dirty stuff. Napkin that you need for everything. This is a pourer that usually you will not use, but it's just to make some training about the pouring, because this is 5 cl, and usually a glass of wine is 15 cl. So you can try to see in the glass how much is the pouring, and you can replay that. Then we have candle. The candle is for when you open the old wine, you need to light it and to see if there are sediment during the pouring. Then you have a drop stop you put around the neck of the bottle, the hole of the bottle, and you put inside, and this stop all the drops, so we will not drop it, but it's not really professional. But if you are in the hurry, this can help you to don't make any mess. Then we start to have this. This is a decanter. When you have an old wine with a lot of sediment, you will pour the wine inside the decanter, and you can see on the neck with the candle, with the light of the candle, when there are the sediment, you will stop and you will separate the sediment to the good wine. Of course, I have also some sample of glasses. This is a champagne glasses for the dry champagne, because for the sweet champagne you need the cup. Then we have a normal glass, almost for all the kind of wines, white, even for the sparkling wines, because now it is the new thought is that even the sparkling wine must be poured here, or for the also the old white wine, or for the rosé or the light red wine. And at least this is a real, I don't know, you can see, is a Riedel glass. Riedel is one of the most important glass maker. This glass costs 50 euro, and this is for the big red wines, maybe Barolo, maybe the big Pinot Noir from Burgundy. Then the last one is this is a thermometer. You can see it measure the temperature of the wine that you're gonna pour. Thank you very much. There are also some more, but this is actually the basic that you need to have and to know.
A few more add-ons to the sommelier kit is one of these boxes which has small bottles with the aroma and the bouquet of fragrance that a wine possesses and all the different characters that one needs to speak about the wine. You can also have different types of decanter, one being this that is displayed in front of your screen, and a few more additions of stylish gear which a sommelier can possess. Not to forget the taste wine. This marks the end of our second session with Massimo. We'll be back with more in the next session. Until then, bye-bye. Take care.